Alright, you guys, so just took off the fender liner and the wheel. Got the shroud off, or air duct vent, for the OEM cooler. So yeah, let's get to it. Sorry I started the video kind of late. Got a little eager and I forgot to start filming. I apologize for that. But here it is, so let's get to it. So as you guys can see in the time lapse, bracket is on. Teflon tape. I gotta tighten everything up. Teflon tape. This is duct tape. Don't mind this. This is to not scratch any of it. Same goes to over here. The rear has Teflon. Here it does not have any, so I gotta do that now because I gotta cut anyways. So yeah, let's get to it. What's up, you guys? Back here, continuing the video. I'm a little upset right now with the car. It's not going according to plan. Let me turn the camera real quick. So everything's nice down here. I just fired it up, you know, perfectly fine. And the fucking pistol oil right there off the 45s. Even though I Teflon taped everything I showed you guys. They leaked right here. I shut it off immediately. I had to clean the belts and the pulley. And how the hell does that come off of here? You get me? It's just cheap Amazon crap, you know. I'm not happy with that at all. As you can tell, the fitting even wiggles inside of the fucking hose. It's very frustrating, you know. So I'm definitely gonna contact these people on Amazon and get my money back. I didn't even tighten them that hard. It just pulled the fucking cap off. So for now, you guys, I'm gonna have to put the stock oil cooler back on. I am gonna post this video anyways. I recommend buying good quality fittings. It's, I guess, a hit or miss because these were perfectly fine, and so were the freaking other ones on the what do you call this, on the oil cooler themselves. So I'm gonna pull everything off. On Monday I'm just gonna go to work and I'm gonna crimp these on with the machine. so they come out nice and pressed. And call it a day with that, because it's pretty frustrating. I'm gonna take off all the fittings, redo all the fittings, spend the money right, do it right, get it done. And yeah, I will say the Vargas plate, thank God it did not leak. Was very worried about that. As you can see, the block is cleaned. So it sucks because I had just pressure cleaned the whole front. Not pressure cleaned, but air chuck with the greaser and everything. It's all stained now because I panicked and I sprayed the greaser everywhere, but yep. What's up, you guys? Adrian back again here with another video. I'm really sorry, you guys. I'm on my way home. I was filming a time lapse of me installing the cooler, and this weather honestly sucks. If I show you guys one side, look how dark it is over there, and then look at this side. Give me a second here. And then look how sunny it is there, and look how dark it is there. Like, this is absolute garbage. Right? The weather was coming by, it started pouring. I was still at work, had already clocked out, but I had forgot to close the back up, and there was a bunch of customers. So since I was still there and I was open, I decided to ring them up, but I had turned off the phone and I completely forgot to start filming again to beat the weather. Tomorrow I'll show you guys how I installed it. When I get home, I'll show you a quick little video of how it looks on the car. Thank God for no leaks. What I do like about this kit that I did come out with is that you don't need to leave the fan in order to... You don't need to leave the fan in if you want to take it out while you have the lines on. You get what I'm saying? So you can have the lines on the car and you can take the fan in and out as many times as you want. Just kind of wiggle it in. It's just as tight as with the OEM ones. So the Amazon ones, the bend is a little bit longer, which is what causes that issue. So yeah, man, super happy, you guys. Actually got the F80 calipers in the back, but I'm kind of mad because one of them had wrinkled, as you guys saw, and for some reason it's not drying up in one spot. It's really frustrating. I've even used the torch again, tried it with the torch, and it's still not drying. So the rest of the caliper is dry, but it's right in the front where you're supposed to see it. So honestly, I really don't know what else to do. I'm just gonna slap them on the car like that in the meantime. One of these days, once I have the car running, Johan needs new rotors and pads. I'm gonna give him the stop tick pads with the rotors on that I have in my car. One of these days, I'm just gonna wire brush that whole caliper once it's completely dry, no BS, acetone the whole thing, brake clean it, dry it properly, and just respray it so it comes out like the other side, because it's really frustrating that I spent all this time and, you know, all this money on the car and for something so stupid and little like that. But I think that'll just motivate me and get me one step further, because the same thing with the oil cooler, I've been holding myself back, and I haven't done it because of that first time. So I just decided to bite the nail today, you know, let's say bite the nail, and install it, and I'm super happy with it. Car's running good. I don't think there's a specific order the oil cooler lines run. I think top goes to the right side. Pretty sure that's how I did it anyways. So yeah, happy with the car. I'm just gonna make sure I routed it like that. I don't remember right now. It was just raining. A lot was going on. I doubt I installed them backwards. I don't really know if there's even a way of installing them backwards. I think as long as it just flows. I'm not sure. I don't want the car fighting against itself either, you know? So I'm definitely gonna look into that right now as soon as I get home, now that I think about that. Once as you guys can see, look, it hasn't dried up. So once I get home now, I'm gonna check to make sure the order, and I'm gonna search up. I know it has to have some type of order, you know, these Germans, everything has a specific way, but the temp's fine, it's not leaking anywhere. Oil's at the max level, so we're good, you guys. So I'll see you guys in a few. I'm sorry I'm a little burnt out today. I usually work 8 hours, I don't work 11 hours, so today I'm a little burnt out, but it is what it is, you guys. I kind of look around as I film because I hate people looking at me, but once we get home, I will show you guys. I'm sorry I'm a little enthusiastic as I usually am, but I'll see you guys in a few.
All right, you guys, so I'm filming a little video on the way home, a little update, just to show you guys. It is 100 right now outside. It was just 103 a couple minutes ago. And check out my oil temps, you guys. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm cruising on the highway, but when I am stuck in traffic, which is stop and go at about 10, 20 miles an hour, it's only a bar over. So instead of being at, what is it right now? Probably like a 200. It's probably like a 210-ish around there. So I'm super happy. Watch once we get in kind of traffic up there, that stoplight is starts to slightly go up. You'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, just want to apologize again because I couldn't get all the footage filmed for the video of me doing the oil cooler kit and filming it. As I explained to you guys at work, what happened. It sucks. It is what it is, you know. I just tried to make the best of it. At least you guys got me taking off the oil cooler. I'm going to take off the fender liner tomorrow and show you guys how it goes put together. Just so you guys kind of know, if you guys are interested in the kit, definitely please let me know. I am looking at getting into a manufacturer that can make me my own oil coolers. So I'm still looking into that, but we'll see what happens, you guys. But overall, I'm very happy. The car is working phenomenal. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, I'm actually on the way home. I'm gonna help my next door neighbor. He got an F3328. I did the custom homemade intake for him. And I'm going to be doing this week a down bite. Actually, today, we got one on ARM, so it was an open return. They were, what, $277, $300 brand new. We got it for $150, so hell of a deal. Super happy. On the way home, going to go do that real quick. Film that as well, but yeah, you guys. I'm sorry to be yawning, but yeah, I'm just a bit tired right now. So, somebody's broken down. Let's explain the traffic. Hope they're okay. Yep. Poor lady. It looks like she's crying. But yeah, guys, super happy. I'm on the way home, so I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna finish editing this video, try to post it tonight. And then next is the M3 big brake kit. I just spilled it. I shouldn't have said anything, but it is what it is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys. So what is up? I'm continuing on the video, and I'm gonna finish it off really quick. I'm at work. Can't really be doing this right now. So that is how the oil cooler sits right there, you guys. Very tight. Pretty fucking badass. You guys asked me. I'm very proud with how I designed it. As you can see, it sits right there, and that's basically all it is. Just a little L-shaped bracket right there. You see there's another gap on top. I gotta raise it up one hole. As you can see, it's hanging down and messed up there. But yeah, guys, that's all it is. And I gotta figure out something, because look at all that. I need to find a custom duct. And you basically just drill a little hole right here, and that's all it is. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next one.